can simply just wait some time and see, because these sections might take roughly from 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. Okay, because it's certificates being certified, and then we are redirecting domains and stuff. So just for the safe side, I just have one more cloud for distribution. So I'll just show it from there. So this was something that I hosted yesterday. It also took around 2 hours. So once you have the certificate, you can have this, you can see this custom SSL certificate here, the link. So once this is created, if you go back to Route 53, you can see a new CNAME record. So I'll just go to the one that we created yesterday. So a new CNAME record will be available here. So once you have the CNAME record, you can just click on this. Sorry, not this one, guys. You have to click on create record and have the, if there are any more subdomains, you can just add the subdomains, or else you can just simply keep this domain that we bought. And then it would be a simple traffic routing. Here you can see it's the simple traffic routing. You can create a new record. For now, let's test this. And click on this alias switch. And what we want to do is, we just want to alias to a CloudFront distribution, because we created a CloudFront, right? To host our site, we created a CloudFront. So you have to create an alias to the CloudFront. Or is it not coming? And then let's get this distribution name copied and paste it here. Sometimes it gets populated here also, then it will be very easy. Otherwise, you can simply copy the distribution name and paste it here. And then you can create a record. So after this is also completed, again, it might take around 10 to 15 minutes to validate the new CNAME records and the routings. Once everything is completed, ideally you wouldn't, I mean, they are not giving any message saying this is completed. The only way to find out is just go to the site and refresh it and see whether the site is working after about a half an hour. So maximum it would take half an hour for the validation to occur. So once that is completed, the site is online soon. Let's check my the previous site that I had. So likewise, the website would be available after about half an hour. I don't think I'll wait half an hour for that to occur. So the last few steps might take roughly around 2 to 2.5 hours, depending on the domains that you buy and depending on the time that AWS takes. So don't be afraid that it's not working, right? It will be working, but it takes time, because these are all network certificates that's given to your name. So once you buy a domain, the certificate for your name saying, okay, this domain name is yours and not anyone else can have the domain, right? So those things takes time. So once everything is done, you can just go and refresh it and see whether the site is working. Probably within like 30-40 minutes, the site should be online. Cool. Probably, I feel like you all need to understand the last part. Yeah, no. Yeah, that was something that I did a little bit fast because I did that part is not free. So if you all want to actually do it, and if you all have any questions, feel free to connect with me. So on LinkedIn as well. Any questions? Iba tahanin na yan, eh. Right. So if you all have any questions down the floor, you all can ask me on LinkedIn. I'll be replying on the day itself. And we not have my number also. If anyone wants it, you can simply give it. Yeah, hope you all can at least now deploy a static website using S3. Cool. All right, guys. Since there are no questions, I'm going to wrap up and make this a day.